Well, I'm gonna do something for my brother truckers out there. If you're stuck in a place like me where there's nothing around and you gotta wait for a day or two on a load and the truck stops are shitty and you need to take a shower, I'm gonna show you what I did. Really easy setup. Just hot glue. You get one of them pans at Home Depot and you just hot glue a really crappy shower curtain to the bottom of it, and you get those pans that you stick on under your washing machine. It's like 10 bucks, $3 for 2 shower curtains. You just put them up like that. Get your little camp shower. I got the crappy $7 one and it likes to leak at the valve under here, but I fixed that with some RTV. Hang them up on some hooks. Stick that on there. So you got your little shower thing here. You got a pretty decent sized shower in here. Holy crap, I'm probably making everybody dizzy. And then when all the water's down there, you get this little vacuum. What the fuck is it? You get this little vacuum, you just suck it up. Suck all that water up. Keep the vacuum on, stick it out the door here. Turn the vacuum off and all the water goes down there. Piece of cake. And then when you get like a dirty shirt or something that you haven't used, and you just wipe all the pan up, keep it nice and dry. Take Mr. Camp Shower down. Stick him back in a weird place. I don't know where you put it. Put it somewhere. Hold up Mr. Shower. Stick Mr. Shower back up here. Now you're clean.
Sweet.